Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make a keyring. So the first thing we need to do is to go into Cricut Design space and then go into your upload and upload the designs that you would like to use. And we're going to go to shapes and select the shape that that your keyring is. Mine's going to be a circle, so just select the circle. And I'm going to change the colour of that circle by going up to this little box at the top, which is the black one, and I'm just going to change this to white. And then I'm going to make the circle the size of my keyring. And then it's unlock the padlock. We're going to change this to 5 by 5. And then we're going to lock the padlock once it's done. Because then we don't need to measure the stuff that we need to put onto our keyring, because we've got a template here. So these two are the things that I want to pop onto my template, but I also want a design to go onto the back of my keyrings. So for this, I'm just going to press images, and in the search bar, I'm just going to press brushy. And I'm going to go down until I find the circle design, which is this one here. Then I press insert image. Then again, I'm going to make this one the size of my keyring. So just go to more, unlock the padlock, I change the width to 5, and I'm going to change the height to 5. And then I'm just going to zoom in. And then this, I'm just going to pop onto my circle. I'm just going to make it a tiny bit shorter. Remember to lock your padlock so you don't lose the shape. And you just have a little play around and position it how you'd like it to go. So that's how I would like this. This is going to be mirrored onto the back of my keyring. So now I need to move this to one side and get my design. And as you can see, it's gone behind. All you need to do is go up to arrange and send to the front, and now that will pop on top of it. Then I'm going to make this the size that I would like. And then I'm going to get my writing. And the same again. See how that's gone behind? I'm just going up to arrange, send to the front. And I'm just going to pop that into position of how I would like it. And then I can change the colour. I'm just going to pop in grey. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So then all we need to do then is just remove this back circle, because we know we don't need this no more because it's just a template. And then all we do is we press make it, and it will send it to our mat. And it tells us what's going to cut first. This is going to do my name, and it's going to do my logo design, and then it's going to do the brushy. So you just press continue and then send it to your machine to cut it. Once it's printed out, just weed your vinyl. Then you get your key ring with your tassel, and then this little piece here, this is to attach the key ring to through the hole. So the key ring itself will look like it's frosted, but it's actually got a seal on. So all you need to do is, if you just peel it off, and then you can see that it's clear. And if you use a crafting mat that's got a grid, you can actually see where the centre lines would be, because you just use your grids. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pop this onto here. So you just need to get your transfer tape, pop it over your design, get your scraper and just scrape the front, and then turn it over and scrape the back. Then all you need to do is peel. You might need to stick the bits down on the edge, just like so, and then you just peel it off. It's because I've used this piece before, but they last for quite a while. So then you just work out where you would like it, and then pop it down, and use your scraper again to nice and firmly into it, and then peel this off and then turn it over. Okay, if there's any air bubbles or anything like that, they do come out, so don't worry. So now I need to put this piece on the front of here. So again, you just move this to the side, get your piece of transfer paper, and then you pop it on, and then scrape the front, turn it over and scrape the back, and again you just peel it off, get this into position so you know that it's straight, and then you pop your design into place, just like so, and then you get your scraper, and then you just push it down like so, and then you peel it off, pop it back into place so you know it's centred, and get your other piece, pop it over the top, scrape up the front, turn it over and do the back. See how I'm reusing the same piece of transfer paper? It's because you don't have to keep getting a new piece. Peel it off and then position it how you'd like it. Just like that. Get your scraper. And then peel it off, and then get your keyring, and you're going to need some like pliers or wire cutters, because all you do is you thread this through the bottom, thread that through the hole, and then you get your pliers or wire cutters, and then you just close close the clasp on the back, just like that, and then you get your tassel and you just thread it on, and there you go everyone. That is how you make a keyring. Hope this helps.